Because of Boroshiki's attack in Boruto manga chapter 53, Sasuke Uchiha has officially lost his Rinnegan now. But the big question in everyone's mind is that what will happen next? What will Sasuke do next? So hello and welcome to Undervisey, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about this particular thing as to what exactly should be Sasuke's next move and how exactly things will progress in the story moving forward. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. We're also trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now obviously this is a theory or rather a speculation video where I'll try to give my justifications and thoughts on this particular matter as to how exactly the story will move forward, especially in regards to Sasuke's Rinnegan. Again, all of these are just my theories and I might be wrong here, and I would also recommend you guys to talk about your theories in the comment section as well. But let's start with the first video, and that is Naruto's Jesus mode. Now obviously we all remember how 6 Paths Naruto was able to restore Kakashi's eye after it was taken away by Madara Uchiha. We don't exactly know if Naruto still possesses that particular power, but it's very likely that he actually does have this power in the Boruto manga and anime because it has been slightly shown to us because of his healing abilities and stuff like that. Moreover, he still has access of his 6 Paths Sage mode, so there's no problem for us to assume the fact that Naruto will actually be able to heal Sasuke's eyes. But here the big question is that will that particular healed eye actually be his Rinnegan, or rather will it be his normal eyes? That is the big question here. But then again, I'd like to add one particular thing here, and that is the fact that Sasuke's Rinnegan can actually be turned on and off. We have seen this happening quite a lot in the anime as well as the manga, that when Sasuke is out of his chakra, the Rinnegan turns back into the Sharingan as well as into his normal eyes. So it's not exactly wrong for us to assume the fact that Naruto will actually be able to heal Sasuke in this particular regard, but a major concern in this particular regard is Naruto's health as well. Because after using the Byron mode, there's a very high chance that Naruto will actually die because of the chakra exhaustion and everything, so we'll have to wait and see if Naruto will actually be able to use his 6 Path powers and heal Sasuke's Rinnegan. That is however one possibility or one possible route that the manga can take forward. Now moving on to the second route, and that is the special ability of the Uchiha clan users, that is Izanagi. Now we have actually seen the use of Izanagi before in the anime as well as in the manga by a lot of different people, from Danzo to Obito as well as to Madara Uchiha himself. Now a big question here is that when exactly will Izanagi be used? Because the normal time span for Izanagi is very short because the Uchiha clan members only have half of the chakra of the Sage of 6 Paths. But then again, Sasuke is special here because he was blessed by the powers of the 6 Paths himself, and he also has some of the powers of the Senju chakra as well. That is the reason why he might be able to use the Izanagi for a longer period of time, just like Obito and Madara managed to do something like that. So there's actually quite a big chance that Izanagi will actually be used in the next chapter, via which Sasuke will be able to heal himself and basically get out of his damaged body. But then again, we know for a fact that Izanagi usage will actually render the Sharingan of the user useless or rather blind. So that's a very big concern for Sasuke as well, because in that particular process he might actually lose the abilities of his right Mangekyo Sharingan as well, which will be a very big problem for him. But at the same time, a very interesting thing can happen here as well, and that is in regards to the revival of the Rinnegan. We actually know that the blind Sharingan can actually gain sight once again if the Rinnegan is activated upon there, and that actually can be done here very easily because Sasuke does have access to Hashirama cells, and he of course was blessed by the powers of Sage of 6 Path. The only reason why he was not awakening his second Rinnegan and not using his left arms was because he didn't want extra power, and he always wanted to have a reminder of his past and what all horrible things that he had done in the past. But now, considering the things that are happening here, it might be a very good time for him to unlock that second Rinnegan as well as his left arm in the process. So that is also another possibility, another huge possibility that might actually happen here. The other possibilities are as follows, and that is the usage of another Uchiha clan member's eyes. Now this is a little iffy in my opinion because we don't actually know what exactly happened to Madara's eyes or Madara's Rinnegan after the 4th Great Shinobi War ended, and it's not explicitly shown to us that what exactly happened there. So it's a little difficult for me to assume that he will be able to use some other Uchiha clan member's eyes in place of his Rinnegan. But then again, that is still a possibility, not a huge possibility, but still one particular possibility that can actually happen in the series moving forward. Now I'm actually planning to make a follow-up video in this particular regard as to what exactly will happen if Sasuke does unlock his second Rinnegan and what kind of new power set can be involved in this particular regard as well. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay notified with all my latest uploads, because in that way you will be able to see that particular video as soon as I upload it. And in that particular video, I'm also going to talk about the new possible power-ups that Sasuke might gain after he unlocks a second Rinnegan, and will that even be helpful in the upcoming fight against Ishiki Otsutsuki's new vessel, that is Kawaki. So I'll talk about all those stuff in that upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. What are your thoughts about all of this? Do you think any of the following situations can actually happen here, or do you have a theory of your own? I'd like to hear all of them, so please mention them in the comment section below. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. This is WonderYZ, and I'll see you soon on the next video.